Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see if you're having a number of sheets in your single Excel project. You can just rearrange the sheets by using this method in your mobile phone on your Microsoft Excel. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rearrange the sheets in Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. Click on plus symbol, open a document here, and I'm just going to add more sheets, and in this sheet I just going to insert a table here. So just going to insert a table, so click on the insert option here and inserting a table here, and okay, and also just going to resize the table here. Okay, so now we just inserted the table here. Okay, now I just want to move this sheet 3 to the number 1 position. So here you just want to long press the sheet, and you can just take the sheet anywhere on the screen and just put it on the first position. Automatically remaining will be move it. So click on the second sheet and you can just move to the first position or like second position like this. So just want to click on the sheet first of all and just long press it, just drag it and move it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.